Hi, my name is Hector and welcome to United Food Truck.
And my name is Danny Sanchez. Welcome to the Food Kit.
We're going to be showing you around the facilities, showing you why we are the best in the business.
That is correct. We have a couple of projects right now. We have a couple of trucks, trailers left. Well, we just got a couple of containers today as well, right, Hector?
Yes, we do. And we're going to be showing all of that throughout this video. Since 2015, we've been proudly serving our clientele from our 32,000 foot facility, which you can see right behind me, where innovation and quality come together to make the best out of the mobile food service.
Or we transform ideas into fully functional mobile kitchen, designed to make your culinary dreams a reality.
With our experienced craftsmen with years of experience behind them, we ensure to use the best materials and cutting-edge technologies to make not only great-looking products, but products that will last. This is our first warehouse. As you can see, we not only do our standard trailers, but we also make custom products that you can see right over here.
This particular vehicle right here comes all the way from England, and they're actually manufacturing a full kitchen and a coffee concept at the same time. Like I said, we can make any step. As you can see, not every product is the same. Every concept is 100% different, from Mexican, Colombian, and as you can see, even Arabic food over here as well. We haven't had over the past 10, 15 years a single unit that has been the same. Everything is 100% customized.
This is our second warehouse. As you can see, quite bigger. We can set up at least three trucks here at the time.
Keep in mind that our production line is up to 12 or probably 15 trucks at the same time, and we actually have double shifts. One during the day and an overnight shift, so we can definitely go ahead and start working 24/7 throughout the whole process. So there's no delays for any type of step back on the turnaround time.
And please recall that as soon as you have a project with us, it's going to have a live feed at all times. So you're going to be aware of all the work being done at all times.
24/7.
Our third and final warehouse. As you can see, the 32,000 square feet is now for show. At all times, we have projects being done and worked on.
And as you can see, we actually have right here a pretty big wood-anything size roll of 26-footer tray. And right behind it, we got the actual third restaurant for Wendy's, which is being manufactured at the moment. This unit will be located in Trinidad and Tobago, and it's an operated restaurant based on containers. We're probably gonna go ahead and leave the link somewhere in below, so you can definitely go ahead and check out that project as well.
But yeah, alright. So how you can see behind us, this is where the construction for the trailers take apart. We have templates made preemptively, and then we got them set up from the ground up. It's a very much where the stuff started. Well, keep in mind that on every single stud for every single footing that we're gonna have, there's gonna be a special stud where we're gonna fasten every single thing in your unit. So, of course, it becomes hard with both the trays or the truck. So nothing is gonna fall apart and everything is gonna be 100%. So we mentioned trailers and we mentioned food trucks, but we also have containers. This is actually our last section in our facilities. This is where we actually conduct all of our water tests on both trucks, trailers, and containers as well. Thank you so much for your time, and hey, once again, this was Danny Sanchez
and Hector, and this has been United Food Truck, where your vision take the road.